welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my weekly MinsGame update for you. This is a challenge that I posed to Paula, or a beauty guru made me do it, asking her if she wanted to do a MinsGame for the month of May, because there's 31 days, and that means even more stuff is getting out and getting gone, which is a darn good thing. And so she agreed to it. We decided we were going to do monthly updates here on YouTube and posting on Instagram. We both have secondary Instagrams that are just for like our decluttering and minimalism and that kind of stuff. I am going to have her listed down below. Obviously, I want you to go check her out because, one, she's awesome. Two, she is just amazing for doing this challenge with me, and you know, we keep each other motivated. And she's kind of a slacker like me, where we get busy because we're both moms of young children, and you know, we get to doing things and we forget to post it on Instagram. So you know, we both play catch up at the same time, and I feel like less of a slacker with Paula in my life, and I really appreciate that. Tons and tons and tons of people have joined in. Hopefully I will have everyone listed down below. I'm sure I must have forgotten people. If I've forgotten you, please say, Jessica, put me on the list, and I will put you on the list, because I go through my comments and I try to put everyone that has said they were joining in the list. And yeah, if I forgot you, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't yell at me, but just yell at me, okay? Does that make sense? Like, yell at me, but be nice about it. Say, put me on the list, and you know, we'll go from there. So, all right. We've done the intro. We have done our first weekly update, which was days 1 through 7. I have 8 through 15 right here on my phone. I will be inserting pictures here on the screen, and let's get into this. For day 8, I have workout shirt, one of my kids' shirts that doesn't fit, a red pair of shorts, a sports bra, and I'm not sure if that's a shirt or whatever. I can't really tell. Yeah, I think that's a dark brown tank top. And I had 3 more pillowcases that just, you know, when I did my pillowcases the other day, they just, there was more. There was more that needed to be gotten rid of. So I left them there where they were, and I knew I was going to come back to them. All right, for day 9, I have mostly my sons, I have 2 boys, shirts that they just either don't wear, they've outgrown, and just they don't need any more. A pair of pajamas that my one son has outgrown, my youngest, so it's not like I can even pass it on. And then there's actually a pile of the rings that go on the closet bar that I was able to separate out my sizes, because my boys were constantly fluctuating between sizes, and it was just easier to have, like, you know, all the stuff hung up and organized that way. Yes, I'm a little OCD, a lot OCD. So yep, I don't need those anymore, and life is good. Moving on to day 10, I have lots of costume jewelry that I have not worn in years and years and years, if ever. Some of these things, I don't know that I've ever worn them. I'm not sure where I got some of them, but they were in my house and they had to go. Moving on to day 11, I finally got into the kitchen, and I've got a colander here, because I have a metal one that I actually really like because I can use it for multiple things. 4 plastic bowls that my kids don't even use anymore, 2 very sharp knives, 2 little tiny like condiment ramekins, an extremely, extremely large snowman like cookie cutter, but this thing is like bigger than a piece of bread. It's just huge. I don't even know how to explain. It is ridiculously huge. And then there is like the top 2, like you can put this in a bottle if you want to like dispense oil or vinegar or something like that, and it kind of slows it down a little bit and gives you a little bit more control of how it comes out. I don't use it, and it had to go. All right, what day are we on? 12? Are we on day 12? I think so. Here I have 3 necklaces or whatever, like beaded necklaces. I don't wear those. I have 2 scrunchies that they've scrunched their last scrunch. They are stretched out, worn out, and I haven't worn them in years and years. And I mean, I can't even tell you the last time I wore them. They've been packed away somewhere in my linen closet forever. I've got 3 makeup brushes that I just don't care for. I have an empty hand sanitizer thing that has been empty for quite a long time because it was dried out in like a drawer somewhere. I have lanolin, which is for women that breastfeed. My youngest is 5, so that tells you how long it's been around. A Rite Aid card, like, you know, those frequent shopper cards. I don't ever go in a Rite Aid. The only Rite Aid that's ever been around me has been closed down for a very long time. Yeah, that's got to go. And then like a holder to put, you can use it for hand sanitizer, lotions, other things that you can clip it to, like your backpack or your purse, whatever. I think it looks tacky, so I just put those kind of things inside my purse, so that's got to go. All right, moving on to day 14. This one was, no, 13. This one was really easy. I just went into one drawer in my kitchen and pretty much found every single thing here. There are 6 medicine cups that my kids take. My 2 youngest kids take like liquid allergy medicine every single day. And every time I get a new bottle, it comes with a new cup. I just got rid of some of the older ones where the writing is washing off, and those are gone. I have 4 syringes, like for medicine and stuff, for like when they would take like liquid Tylenol or liquid ibuprofen, that kind of stuff. Yeah, they don't take those things anymore. A worn out, dried out stamper that my kids got probably like in school or something like that, eons ago. And then 2 wine bottle charms. They're 2 little crabs. They're a little bit different. I think they're absolutely adorable charms, but I don't drink. My husband almost never drinks. He's like once, maybe twice a month, he'll have one beverage. And, you know, people don't come over to our house and drink, so there's no point in keeping them. I think we got them at his cousin's wedding or something, and yeah, we don't need them, so they're out of here. The day 14 is super quick and easy. There are 14 straws there. They are plastic straws that my kids use for like cups where they're the take and toss, but I don't remember what they're actually called. Where they almost look like a to-go cup, but in different colors. So I have lots of lids from that. I have lots of straws from that. I have straws from sippy cups that they were no good anymore, but the straws were perfectly fine, so we kept them and reused them. I have probably 3 times this amount still in my drawer. I will eventually narrow it down even more, but you know, you can't rush these things. So those 14, those are gone. And lastly, day 15, I have 5 stackable bins that I actually had those when I used to do farmers markets and stuff, and we would put products in there to sell. I don't do that anymore, and I just don't need them in my life. They're just taking up space, and they're out of here. I have a, it's from Bare Minerals. It is a makeup brush wrap. There's like spots in there. You can just fit them in there. I don't use that. I haven't used that for a while. It's mostly for travel and stuff like that, which I don't do anymore. And so yeah, it can go to someone else. And a bunch of random makeup brushes that I no longer use, want, need, care for. And like there's one piece that was like, I don't know where the rest of the brush is, but there was an eyeliner part on there. It must have fallen off another brush, and I don't know where that brush is, so that's got to go too. So all in all, I feel like I did pretty good for days 8 through 15, and I'm happy to have these things gone. From everything that I have put together from day 1 until now, I have 3 of those like white kitchen garbage bags full of donations. So I'm feeling pretty good. I'm getting ready to schedule a donation truck so that I can get those out of here, because they're actually in my hallway, and just on the other side of this wall. They're just lined up on the hallway, and I just need to schedule the truck, get them out, and not even think about them anymore, and then start filling them up. You know, filling up some new ones. Pardon me, I had like a little hiccup thing. I'm happy with the way things are turning out right now. I can't wait to get through some more stuff. I really want to get through some of the like bigger things, like things that take up a lot more space. But I've been like crazy busy, and you know, you gotta purge where you have the time and inclination to do it. If I just only went for the big things, it could take me a lot longer, and then I might give up on it. And I don't want to do that. I really want to get the stuff out and get my space back, get my sanity back. Not that I've ever had sanity anyway, but you know what I mean. definitely go check out everyone else that has joined in. Again, if you have joined in and I didn't realize it or forgot to put you on a list or something like that, I apologize. I'm sorry. But again, let me know down there and I will definitely add you to the description box so that other people can come find you. Like I said, it's on YouTube and on Instagram. Some people are just doing it on their own. Some people said they can commit to 2 weeks, but not the whole thing. Anything that you can do is going to make your situation a little bit better. If you got way too much stuff, getting anything out, even if it's only one thing, is going to be better than just keeping that thing hanging around for no apparent purpose other than to be in your way and collect dust. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.